Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to add cell comments in Excel. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to begin by first selecting whatever cell we want to add the comment for. Once you've selected that, you want to go up and left click on the review tab up at the top. Left click on new comment, so you can type in whatever comment you want. So you could say please revise or explain, whatever you want, and then you just close out of it. If you want the comment to always be shown, you just want to make sure if you click out of it, you want to show all comments. If you do not have this selected, you'll have a little red tick mark, and when you hover over it, it'll show the comment. So if you definitely want to make it pop out a little bit, you want to show all comments. So again, personal preference or whatever you're trying to achieve. But I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.